In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up an Airtable workspace. We'll go through the full process from opening Airtable to reviewing your workspace so it's ready to use. This is a simple setup, but taking a few extra moments to organize things properly at the beginning can make collaboration much easier later on. Start by opening Airtable and going to your home dashboard. This is the main area where you can see your current workspaces, bases, and other account content. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in first and wait for the dashboard to fully load so you can clearly see all available options. Once you're on the home dashboard, look for the option to create or add a new workspace. Depending on your screen size or Airtable version, this may appear as a button, a plus icon, or a menu option. Click it to begin creating your new workspace. This is the container that will hold your related bases and help keep projects organized in one place. Next, enter a clear name for the workspace. Choose something simple and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. A good workspace name helps you and anyone else using it immediately understand its purpose. If this workspace is for a department, client, or specific project group, make sure the name reflects that clearly. After naming the workspace, add team members if needed. If you're setting this up just for yourself, you can skip this part for now. But if other people will be working in the workspace, this is a good time to include them so everyone has access from the beginning. Be thoughtful about who actually needs to be added, since keeping access focused can make the workspace easier to manage. Then set the correct access level for each person. This is important because different team members may need different permissions depending on their role. Some people may only need to view content, while others may need editing or management access. Take a moment here to assign permissions carefully so people can do what they need without giving broader access than necessary. Once permissions are set, create new bases in the workspace or move existing bases into it. This step helps you centralize related work and keep everything in one organized location. If you already have bases that belong with this workspace, moving them in can save time and reduce confusion. Finally, review the workspace to make sure everything is ready to use. Check the name, confirm the right people are included, verify permission settings, and make sure the correct bases are inside the workspace. Once that looks good, your Airtable workspace is set up and ready for use.